Hello viewers, this is a video about current affairs from January 14 to 30. India's first war memorial for animals is at Meerut. Lebanon's new Prime Minister is Hassan Diab. 2020 January cashless cardless introduced in the bank ICICI. Mahatma Gandhi Convention Center will be constructed on behalf of India. In which place is it? Niger. 2021 ICIC Women's Cricket World Cup is at New Zealand. Women's Cricket World Cup in 2021 is in New Zealand. World's smallest coin produced by Switzerland. World's smallest coin is introduced or produced by Switzerland. 2020 Padma Shri winner. 2020 Padma Shri winner Tarun Deep Roy is on which field is archery. On which sport game this Tarun Deep Roy is on which sport game Tarun Deep Roy, the Padma Shri winner, is in archery. India celebrated its Republic Day 71th Republic Day in 2020. 71th Republic Day in 2020. In first e-passport will be in which country? In South Asian country is Bangladesh. First e-passport we introduced in which South Asian country is Bangladesh. Balwa is a novel written by Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi. Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi written the novel Balwa. Member of European Union is 27. Member of European Union is 27. Kobe bin Bryant represent basketball. Kobe bin Bryant represent basketball. The World Economic Forum 15th anniversary meet is in Davos. World Economic Forum 15th anniversary meet is in Davos. 2020 Padma Bhushan winner PV Sindhu. 2020 Padma Bhushan winner is PV Sindhu. Sports. On the category sports. In 2020 January, India banned HCFC 141B as it causes harm to ozone layer. India banned HCFC 141B in 2020. World's large meditation center is in Hyderabad. World largest meditation center is in Hyderabad. Indian Navy help Madagascar in the cyclone affected area. Thus operation is called Operation Vanilla. Indian Navy help Madagascar in cyclone affected area. The operation is called Operation Vanilla. 2019 Oxford Hindi Word of the Year is Samvidhan. 2019 Oxford Word of the Year is Samvidhan. 62 Grammy Award. The category of album is Billie Eilish. Billie Eilish get a 62 Grammy Award of album. According to Greenpeace India report, India's most populated city is Jharia. According to Greenpeace India report, India's most populated city is Jharia. 2020 guest of Republic Day is Jair Bolsonaro. Jair Bolsonaro is the guest of Republic Day in 2020. 2020 Global Potato Conclave is in Gandhinagar. Global Potato Conclave is in Gandhinagar. 2020 Global Talent Competition India's place 72. Global Talent Competition India's place is at 72. Global Talent Competition place. India's place is 72. Thank you for watching my channel. Subscribe for more videos, current affairs and MCQ.